Hello everyone. It's Martha here with you. So I need to make two baby albums for some two very special babies in our lives. So I picked up two different collections. They're actually very similar. So they're from Echo Park, and this one's called Our Baby Girl. So it's got like pinks and yellows and like peach tones, blue, very pretty. And then the other one is called Our Baby Girl. No, Our Baby, just Our Baby. So it's like, I feel like it's more like boho. It's definitely unisex, but they are both going to be for baby girls. So I think, because as you can see here, like the little onesies, there's like the peach tone. So I'm going to open these up and show them to you guys. But I am probably going to use this to create them. So I will link this below, the tutorial for it and the Etsy cutting and scoring guide, so that you can get everything cut and ready to go. So this is the one that I did for Halloween. I think it was not last year, it was the year before. Super cute. So it opens like this. So it's kind of like an explosion box, but it's an album inside. It doesn't explode out. It is on a spine. So in the front here, it has these two super cute little pockets with inserts in there for photos. And then it opens up like this, and you have spots for photos here. And you have a spot for like a little pocket here, and then there's also a nice large side pocket with an insert, and that goes in there. And then you go to the second page, and it's got this cute like envelope opening here. But then when it flips down, it is actually a waterfall on this side here. So room for lots of really cute photos, and then you have room for photos right there as well. And it is closed with a magnet. And then this is kind of just like a simpler page with room for photos. And then it opens up like this, and it has this really cool little pop-up inside of it. Really super cute. I love it. And then the next page has kind of two pockets. So there's a pocket here, and there is a pocket there. So very cute page. And then it opens up like this, and you have lots of nice room for photos in there. And then this is one of my favorite pages. So it opens here. It has a pocket right there with an insert, and then this opens like this. And I just think that is such a super cute little closure. I absolutely love it. And then it does flip up, and you have room for two really nice large photos there. And then the last page has a pocket here, and then it opens up like this, and then there it is on a belly band. So I just have these two little cut aparts under here, but it is all on a belly band. Really cute. And then the back is just plain, just to showcase the paper. Yes, this is what I will be using to create my two baby albums. The only thing I might change, and I haven't fully decided yet, is this is all on just heavy 110-pound cardstock. This is not chipboard, and neither is the lid. So I might decide to do chipboard instead of the 110-pound cardstock, but I'm not sure. It's pretty solid and pretty nice, so I might just leave it with just the cardstock. I'm not positive yet. You guys will see that when I create the albums. So let's look at these papers really quick. I just picked these up from a local scrapbook store. So I love working with these collections that just have like a couple of cut aparts and a sticker sheet, because I find when you buy, you know, all of these other things like the chipboard stickers, it just gets very overwhelming to use it all. As like, at least for me, I find this is perfect. It's just enough to make a book. Everything is simple. It all coordinates, and I just love it. So there's this sheet here. So there, it looks like there's 2 of each. And then what I always do with baby books is when they come with these like 7 months, 8 months, I just cut these apart. I put them somewhere in a little pocket, or maybe even like a little glassine bag. And then I let the parents kind of decide where to put those little milestones, and even like the brand new, all these little things, I kind of let them decide. So, and then this, I just love the like almost boho feel of this collection. Really, really pretty. I love these suns on the other side. It's just a really like, I don't know, I really love this one. Pretty brown there. And then the 4x6 cut aparts. Really, really cute. I love that wild thing, you make my heart sing. B is for baby. I love it. It's just really, really cute. And then the other side of this one is this pretty dot pattern. And then we have this super cute one with all the little hanging clothes. And then there's this gorgeous plaid. Really, really beautiful. 3x4 cut aparts. Sweet tiny human. So stinking cute. And then that's the other side. All right, and then there's the sticker sheet. So there's so many here that you could use for the cover, like the Hello Baby, the little one, teeny tiny toes. I'm planning on putting the names of the babies on the front, and I'm just gonna cut those with my Cricut. So that's gonna be super simple, but I love these stickers to embellish the book with. Absolutely love it. All right, so then the second one, it does look like it has some different patterns. They're very similar, I think, but I do think they're different. So this one is specific baby girl. So yeah, there's definitely different patterns. Really, really cute. Super pretty. So this one's a little discombobulated, but that's okay. And then there's the cut aparts, and they do say different things, I guess. That these are the 3x4 cut aparts, and then this was the other side of this one. And then there's this gorgeous like pattern here with that blue. I love that blue. And then I think this one's very similar to the other one. Has this pretty pattern on the back. I love this. This is so cute. It would be so stinking cute to cut all of these apart if you didn't need extra paper. You could cut these apart. It's got this sun pattern on the back. And then this is really cute too. So again, like I said, I'm going to cut these apart, put them in a little glassine bag, give it with the book, and then the parents can kind of put these where they want them. And then that's the back. Oh, look at this one. That's gorgeous. Beautiful. So with this one, I'm trying to think if the I don't know that the patterns repeat in this one. Let's see if they do. I don't think they repeat, because with the other one you had 2 of everything. I don't think you do with this one. This is gorgeous. And then the 4x4 cut aparts, really beautiful. And then you have this one, very, very cute, with this pattern on the other side. And then there's like the mobiles that go above the bed with with this cute pattern, and then you have your 4x6 cut aparts with that pattern on the back, and then you have the cute rainbows with this. Yeah, so this one doesn't repeat. This has 12 unique designs, which is really cute. Well, I guess 24 for both sides, right? This is the sticker sheet. Super, super cute. So that's the two different collections. And like I said, they're both from Echo Park. Like I said, I am going to be using the this tutorial here, so the Explosion album. So I'm going to link this below for you guys. And then I'm also going to link the Etsy scoring and cutting guide for this. So if you guys want to create a baby book, or maybe if you haven't seen this one yet, if you're new to my channel. And I'll also link the original, I think the tutorial and the walkthrough are the same for this one, so I'll just link that below for you guys. All right, I hope you guys have had and are having a wonderful weekend, and I will be back this week, but I will also be back to show you the finished baby albums. Okay, thanks guys, bye-bye.